Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free coins on Webtoon. So let me just open up my Webtoon app, and as you can see, I got 2,670 coins. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free Webtoon coins today. So with the mod, you can see all the settings, which is namely coins are free. So let's enable unlimited coins and then see if they go up. So there we go. It should start to rise. Takes a minute to take effect. But that's how to get free Webtoon coins in 2025, guys, with the mod. So as you can see, it is working. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this onto your device. It's super insane, guys. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing we need to do is go to our browser, and we're going to go onto the tweakmod.com site with the modded apps, and we're going to type in Webtoon. So here's the Webtoon. So we're going to press install. So now it's going to start downloading it. So we just have to wait. So I'm just going to give it a second to go ahead and load here, as you can see. So it's not very hard or anything, but I just want you to be like a knowledgeable and good person. So like you have to keep watching the video because it gets a little confusing. So let me just show you guys how to do the final step. So basically what we have to do is download 2 apps, and these are like the remaining files for the Webtoon mod. So let me just show you guys how this process works. So now we are at the end, so it should be good to go. So it says missing files, additional files are required. So we need to download 2 of these apps, complete the instructions. So they're 100% for free. So you just press on it, it brings you to the store, and then you download it. So Misplaced says download and play 4 games for 5 minutes. Text Now says make a 30-second call. So I'm in the US. These are just the apps they have in the United States. If you're in another country, you're probably going to have different ones. But just do 2 of them, guys. Then the Webtoon mod will be on your phone, and you'll have unlimited Webtoon coins. How cool is that? There's also VIP, skip ads. So there's lots of crazy features in here. So I really think that it's a good opportunity for you guys if you're poor. Because, I mean, let's be real, no matter your financial situation, nobody really wants to purchase coins on Webtoon. They just have to unlock the stories. But there is a YouTube video on this page as well. So if you watch the video, it could explain things better than me. I'm not really sure. But that's an option for you. So there you go, guys. That's how to get the Webtoon mod for your phone. So it is super awesome. And yeah, it fully works, guys. So I will see you in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel because I am always like pumping out new content. So if this video works, you guys definitely go and share it. It's super cool. And yeah, it fully works, guys. So remember, just do the verification. It's just 2 of the apps. So you may see more than 2, but you only have to download 2 of them, guys. So that's easy enough. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to go ahead and like subscribe and everything, because I'm just trying to get to like 1,000 subscribers. So peace out, bro.